Good morning, dear student. See the next point, that is the examples for total differential equation, that is condition for integrability. See here, number 1, solve y square plus yz into dx plus of xz plus of z square into dy plus of y square minus xy into dz is equals to 0. See the solution. What we have to find? We have to find the condition of integrability. If it is satisfied, then we move for the further steps. See the solution here. The given equation, you may write it, it is nothing but your equation number 1. Comparing with this, we know that p dx plus q dy plus r dz is equals to 0. This value is nothing but our p, and this value is nothing but our q. This value is nothing but our r. Write it, p, q, r, they are given. Okay, which is a homogeneous equation in second degree. Which one it is? Which is a homogeneous equation in second degree. Now, condition of integrability. We know that. What is the condition of integrability? P into dou q by dou z minus dou r by dou y plus of q into dou r by dou x minus dou p by dou z plus of r into dou p by dou y minus dou q by dou x is equals to 0 it is, isn't it? Now here put the value of p, that is y square plus yz. So here dou q by dou z. Dou q by dou z means we have to differentiate the q value with respect to z. So therefore here z is when remaining value is x plus of z square becomes here it is 2z. Put it the value of dou q by dou z is nothing but x plus 2z. Likewise minus of dou r by dou y. Dou r by dou y means it is 2y minus x it is. Write it the value of dou r by dou y. Plus of, likewise you may put the value of q. Again dou r by dou x. Dou r by dou x, it is nothing but, see, y is constant minus y it is. X is 1 here, isn't it? Write it. Minus of dou p by dou z. Dou p by dou z means again y square is a constant 0, y is 1, and the remaining value is, sorry, z is the 1 and the remaining value is plus of y it is. Put it here. Again plus of r, keep the r value. Again dou p by dou y. Dou p by dou y is nothing but 2y plus of z, isn't it? Same as minus of dou q by dou x. Dou q by dou x means x is 1 here, isn't it? Dou q by dou x it is. Therefore, x is 1, remaining value is z, z square is constant. Therefore, it is only z here. Put all the values in a condition of integrability. What is the condition of integrability? The whole equation, it should be equal to 0. Okay, see here. See here. Therefore, if you are multiplying, see, if you are multiplying the value, this bracket to this value means again this bracket to this value, this bracket to this value. Therefore, we are getting the value here like this. See here, it is 2xy square plus of 2zy square minus of 2y cube. It is the first bracket value. Plus of 2xyz plus of 2yz square minus of 2y square z. This is the multiplication of first bracket. The multiplication of second bracket, that is minus of 2xyz minus of 2yz square, and for third it is plus of 2y cube minus of 2xy square. See, all the terms it will get cancelled. Therefore, here we are getting 0. If we are getting 0 means the condition of integrability is satisfied. So we have to satisfy the condition of integrability by cancelling all the values. We are getting it is 0. Okay. After satisfying the condition of integrability, what we have to do now, because it is a homogeneous equation, that's why take here. Now put x value is uz and y value is vz. Okay, differentiate this means it is dx, apply the product u dz plus of z into du. Again for this dy is equals to v dz plus of z into du, apply the product between these two terms. Okay, and after that put it this value in a equation, given equation, that is equation 1. So what is the given equation here? This is nothing but our given equation. Put the value of x, y, isn't it, dx as well as dy. Therefore, by putting the value, see here, What is x value? X means it is uz. So put it here. Uz means it is nothing but, what is our x value? X value is uz. Therefore y value is nothing but vz. Therefore vz means it is v into z square. V square into z square plus of, again it is v into z square. Likewise we have to put all the values into dx. Again put all the values into dy plus of put all the values into dz. Again we have to put the value of dx and dy. Now here putting the value, keep as it is. Put it dx value, that is u dz plus of z into du. Put it here. Again plus of. Again put the value, keep this value as it is and put the value of dy. That is nothing but, what here we are having, the dy value, that is v dz plus of z into du. Put it here. Plus of this value keep as it is because we are not having any dz value. So keep the third term as it is. Now here what we have to do, multiply the all values, isn't it? See here we are having, first you may take z square common because here we are having z square common in first term. Again here we are having z square is common in second term. Again here we are having the z square is common in third term. Take it out because in RHS it is 0 means if you are shifting that means it will be a 0. Therefore what will be the remaining value here? See, v square plus v into u dz plus z into du plus of u plus 1 into v dz plus of z into du plus of, again it is v square minus of uv into dz is equals to 0. This means this is nothing but our remaining value if we are taken z square as a common and we are shifting it is in RHS, means it RHS is 0 means the z square, that is also 0, isn't it? Now multiply v square to this bracket because see here u first term, multiply u dz to this bracket means u v square plus of v into dz it is. Multiply this to this means we are getting this first term, isn't it? Plus of, again multiply this to bracket means we are getting this much of the value. Again we have to keep this value as it is. Multiply dz to this bracket means it is v square into dz minus of uv into dz, isn't it, if we are multiplying. Now after multiplying, see here, take here, that is again simplify because in 4 term we are having dz common, like it is u into uv v plus 1, second plus of v into 1 plus u plus of v square minus of uv into dz. Dz take as a common value plus of, again take z as a common and v into v plus 1 du plus of 1 plus u into dv is equals to 0. Make like this. Here you may take dz common and remaining term you may take z as a common value here. Now multiply this uv to the bracket means it is uv square plus of uv. Again v to this bracket means it is v plus uv plus of, keep this as it is, v square minus uv into dz it is, plus of, keep this value as it is. Okay, so if we are multiplying to first term means what here, uv minus uv it will get cancelled. Okay, therefore see the remaining value here. Again if it is cancelled means in all term here we are having v, take it out common. If we are taken v as a common means here it is uv plus of, here it is u plus of, here it is v square means it is v plus of, here v means it is 1. Take v as a common in this. Okay, plus of, keep this value as it is. After this, okay, shift this value, it is in RHS side. If you are shifting means keep this value as it is, v into uv plus u plus v plus 1 into dz is equal to, shift the value, it is in RHS means minus z into v plus 1 du plus of 1 plus u into dv. Now here take, separate the terms, separate the variables, dz divided by z it is equals to minus this value, it goes in denominator, keep this value as it is. Okay, now after separating, again shift this value, it is in LHS side. Therefore, if you are shifting this value, it is in LHS side, means it should be equal to 0. Okay, now it should be equals to 0 here. Now again, what we have to do, see in denominator, we are having uv plus u. Take u common, means it is v plus 1. So here we are having the brackets, two brackets, that is v u plus 1, another it is v plus 1 in this. Make the brackets. Okay, keep the numerator value as it is. Now separate the term. Therefore, dz by z plus of, here v plus 1, it will get cancelled, isn't it? Therefore, the remaining value is du divided by u plus 1 plus of, again it is 1 plus u and 1 plus u, it will get cancelled. The remaining value is v into v plus 1, it is in denominator. Numerator it is dv, isn't it? See here, dv divided by v into v plus 1 is equals to 0, isn't it? This is also equal to 0. Now, after getting this much of the value, make that is dv divided by v plus 1 like this, 1 by v minus 1 by v plus 1 into dv. After this, you may do the integration. This is log z, log of u plus 1, log of v minus log of v plus 1 is equals to log of c, that is integrating constant. Apply the logarithmic property because it is in plus, therefore log of z v u plus 1 divided by it is v plus 1 is equals to log of c. Log get cancelled, keep the remaining value as it is. Now what is v value? V is nothing but our y by z and u is nothing but x by z. Put the value here. Denominator v value, again it is y by z plus of 1 is equals to c. Now simplify, means here, if you are simplifying, means it is y into, because here z and z it will get cancelled, the remaining value, multiply this z to 1, means it is x plus z whole divided by z it is. In denominator, again y plus of z whole divided by z, and this z and z it will get cancelled. Therefore, the remaining value is y into x plus z, this is z, is equals to c into y plus z. This is nothing but the required solution. Thank you.